Just right, testing. All right, guys, what's up? Um, okay, let me adjust the camera first. Okay. Alright guys, what's up? Welcome to the stream. So I literally just got access to this thing called Omni Futures. So they are basically threw it all at me once. Me and said, bro, go play with it and then tell us what you think about it. So here I am. Zero pressure, zero script, just an honest review from someone who always get confused about when Bitcoin sneeze, right? So if you are new here, don't worry. I'm not a giga brain trader. I'm not a smart one. I'm always got wrecked. I'm always lose trading. So I'm just like you guys. Just be honest. This is just a experimental one. So just for gaining a new experience about this Omni futures, right? So yeah, maybe sometimes I win, sometimes I get wrecked. Most of the time I'm just trying to not to blow my account. So I think that's going to be the main things today. We are just going to explore the new things together. So I'll click around, try features, all the buttons in here. Maybe press the wrong button. I don't know if the market liquidates me, so we pretend it didn't happen, right? So just stay tuned and see what else we can see on this page for Omni futures, right? Is there anyone here? Is there anyone here? Hmm. Let's try something in the chat box. Hello, hello. Welcome to Okay. Where is the chat box, guys? right? Okay, everyone. Welcome to the today live stream. So this is Daniel. Today we are going to try one of the product from the LBank, but I'm not sure what it is. So the name is Omni Features. Omni Features, right? So they officially landed on the LBank. So I'm going to give it a try first to see is it something different from what I've been doing or I've been experiencing using a futures trading previously. So you probably knows that for someone who actually already do a trade, for example like futures trading, right? They are probably going to recognize this page as much as you like, as much as you can, because for those who not really experienced in trading, for example like crypto, I mean in specific way, in a specific of crypto trading, right? You will not recognize this interface at all, right? For example like this on the left side, I think this is, like once you look at it, you know that this is some kind of meme token, right? Not that ordinary token like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and what else, right? So, and here also you can also see there's a lot of on chain history. Yeah, like buying and sell. This is the market orders. I mean the orders from the people buying and selling stuff, right? Yeah. First of all, you can see Trump. Yeah, that's a good thing because we all know Trump, right? So I think this is something that we can share the similarity with you guys about it, right? So I think just now I already told you that if you're new here, don't worry. I'm not a smart person. I'm just like you guys, right? This is the first experience trying the features, Omni features on LBank. Before that, if you want to join LBank, you can just click on the bio. You can see my referral link so that you can start trading with LBank also. And plus, forgot to mention this is not a promotion, right? This is not a promotion. It's not promoting any content or any exchange, but this is for my personal gain. So I hope you guys can support me. Okay, let's start with the interface first, right? By looking at it, I think this one quite seems like very interesting because for some crypto exchange, they do kind of the interface itself, they kind of looks like a very boring and dull color, right? But this one you can see like it has a different kind of things that we can take a look on it. For example like this one, the token itself, wow, there's a lot of token. I think like around 20 maybe, right? And then in here also you can see, you can actually click on it or not. Right, you can click on it, yes, of course, because if we cannot click, then how are we going to trade, right? And how about this one? Okay, I've been told that for this one, token creation times means that they actually kind of integrating or listing this token from other platform like Palm, what you call it, like Palm Fund, yeah, Palm Fund, right? You can see the screen, right? So Palm Fund, and then they were just listed out in here, right? So this one is token creation time, maybe from the Palm Fund, from the Palm Fund. They just created about 1454. Currently right now is yeah, it's about 2 minutes, and then after 1 minute they just got in here in the LBank. Okay, basically they've been listing out in on change about 3 minutes ago, and then after that they taken out from that platform into this LBank platform. Yeah, I think that will be more like good sharing, because I know it sounds very easy, so that I want you guys to understand about it and like that. Okay. Yeah, okay, so this one I just show you the interface, right? What's new else? I think this is the new one. It's probably the most unfamiliar buttons that you can actually see from the normal future trading. Let's try with the LBank features. Okay. So you can actually see in this normal futures trading, you can do like open long and open short. There has a proper order book right here, short and also long, and then the amount that you want to trade and all that, and plus plus plus. You can see the green. You can see the K line chart in here, right? How about this one? You can actually see the same one, which is the chart. Try to look more bottom to see the older market that just got listed in here. This one looks like it's been there for a while now. I think like from 4 a.m. in the morning. I'm not sure. And here we goes like, yeah, it's correct. I think this is our time now, like 2:30 in the afternoon, 2:30 p.m. and this one is 4 a.m. just now, in early in the morning, right? So okay, so this one is very good to test it out, right? And then here, okay, let's go back in here so that we can try to explore more on this right side of the page, right? Okay. Let me check. So this one is okay. Now since I got the access from them to test it out. Of course, they give me some of the tokens. That this one is just a token, not my real money. So I can do whatever I want. I can try to maximize the investment. Right? Sounds good, right? Because this is just a free token, it's not a real one, so that I cannot withdraw, I cannot do anything, I cannot buy anything from here. So let's try it out, right? So this one you can see the multiplier X. So this one seems like a very normal leverage indicator, I would say. So this is the indicator like 1x, 2x, 5x, and all that. Maximum ROI, let's read about it. So it's a single position can reach the maximum ROI limit, and any excess will be automatically closed. So it means that you try if you're trying to get more than 1,000% of the profit, they will just cap it and then stop the trading right away, right? So this is what literally that they'll be explaining. So a single position can reach the maximum ROI limit. Any excess will be automatically closed. So I think it goes the same way for us to probably lose our money, so that we cannot lose our money at once, right? So this is a good thing. So max ROI 1,500. So this one seems has been position has been set. I mean, this one has been set by the, I think, like liquidity provider. I'm not sure about it, right? So we can try to have a look at it more. Does anyone in here joining my live stream? You can say hi in the chat box, okay? Okay, let's move forward, right? So in here you can see actually max margin. I think this is max margin that you can actually earn $20, $20. Not sure about it, but why not we just give it a try first, right? I know that this one is long, this one is short, and then they just told me that we should try like placing a bet on it to see if it's green. Just press on green button, it means the long one, right? And if it's red, it means dumping. You can just try to do a short one, okay? So now we can do just a minimum investment for probably like $1 for 1x. Then the maximum will be this big, right? So I think that's a great deals. Okay, we can try it out. So right now I think I'm just give it a try. Seems like this is the already stable, like doing a downside chart over here, and then it goes up again, it goes down, probably down, right? So why not we just try to call for a short one, right? So short 1x, like $10. See, right now we do have like 9978. So I assume if we try to put $10, probably our finalize, either it goes to 9988 or it goes to 9968, right? So we can have a try $10 in here. So 9968 now. So see, this currently going green now, so it means it's going long now. But I'll go for a short because I know within a minute, within a few minutes or within a few hours is going to be short again, right? What is this DIH talking about? Let's try to dig it more. DIH, Dishcoin. What is Dishcoin? Let's try to look at it. DIH, I don't know. I think it's a dog token. Shit. Narrative token DIH is a slang term originating from AAVE. It means it gained popularity on TikTok starting late. Okay. So since this one already a coin from 2024, late 2024, I think we got some potential in here to start looking at it more, right? Instead of just dying once we trade it. And now it seems like it's still going green, so you can see my short profit right now is currently plus $0.4, which is good, right? Still, this one I think because of the 15 minutes chart, so that's why you cannot actually see it's going long or going short, right? So far that I know, I think this one it haven't close position, I mean ending the chart yet, so that's why you can see the market is still ongoing right now. Try to look like, okay, 1 minute chart, right? So it's going green again. Let's see, how about we try 1 hour? I'm going to reply someone here. Okay, so this is actually interesting. So, you as you already know that when you're doing like futures trading, right? You're probably wondering how long does it take to start making a profit. For example, like you when you place the order, when you place the bet, when you place a long and short, how long does it take to start making your money? I mean, start making your making its earning, right? So the answer is your profit or loss begin changing the very second your order is filled and your position is open. So now I'm seeing that this one is become red again because of the market. So I'm not sure if we should following which time frame. Let me try to text. I mean, to ask the AI again. So recommended time frame for last result is 1 minute. So I think 1 minute is the best way for us to see either it goes green or it goes red again, right? So my position is right now is open. So I'm going for short just now, right? So my money is or has been already deducted to $10 just now from 78 becomes 68 right now. Okay, guys, we're back. We are back now. You see the market become short again, and I just earn like 0.5 dollars, right? I think we will keep moving on this way. Will be good enough for me to earn something in here, right? Mm-hmm. You can see this one, right? I just earned this much. Okay. So this is apparently the margin that I will earn 9.99. This is the just now I've been investing like $10. So this is the margin that I possibly will get, right? Mm-hmm. Going more. Okay. Oh, okay. Let's see. So I'm just going to leave it like this once, but I'm going to try more memes token that could possibly become something like this one. I think this one DIH seems a lot of narrative has been relayed. I mean, has been told from their fans. So I think it has a better potential than other of the rest of the token in here. I think let me try to dig more on some of the memes token that I probably know. Yeah, this one seems a very good one. Anyone knows about Wojak? Wojak. So Wojak, what is Wojak? Wow. Welcome to the dawn of the Wojak token, an innovative and exciting digital asset inspired by the famous Wojak meme. What is Wojak meme? Ah, this guy. Feels guy. Okay. Okay, let's give it a try. Let's give it a try. Not this one, this one. Click on it. Open a position. I think 1 minute already been there, already in here. Try to go more. This one seems like short for me because yeah, it's obviously right because the market started to look like this is not very convincing enough. I mean to see a better pump after this, right? So I'm going to go another shot for this one, but this one I want to give it a try, like more higher, like $20 for 2x. I'm not sure how it works, right? But should I give it a try? So I just open another position for Wojak, like short 20x. So the margin will be a lot higher than the previous one, but this one I still can give it some time for me to earn the position from here. Okay. Hello guys, for those who are just coming to my live stream, so hello everyone. This is me, Van, right? So I just literally got access to this thing called Omni features, but they basically just threw it at me and said, "Hey bro, why can't you just go play with it and tell us what you think about it, right?" So they just kind of give me some access, a good access, special access for me to start experimenting about this platform, right? So here I am. So with zero script, zero pressure, just an honest review from someone who always get confused when Bitcoin sneeze, Bitcoin making a movement, right? So I'm just like you guys. I'm here, but to tell you guys about what is it all about, right? There's no financial advice. There's no nothing about quick earning and or what. Just having fun and try to explore more on this one. Okay, for those who already seen just now, I think I already opened these two position, right? So I have tried some of the trade in here. So I already explained the process just now, from my thoughts, I think is very very easy, because you just click on the button and then find the amount that you actually start investing. But I'm not sure how it works here, but I'm pretty sure that we might know how to use it by the end of the day today. Okay, so let's say this one, I think DIH. You know, some of you guys already know about DIH. DIH means tick, right? So you can censor, you can blur on that part as well. So it looks like I'm going for short just now for 1x with the $10 amount. Seems like it's making a progress, I would say. Mm-hmm. All right, why don't we just try another things. We will not we I think we should move forward and try to not talk about this anymore. Probably like other features that I might think it is interesting for me to talk about it, right? So just now I think we keep talking about this different kind of token in here. I think it sounds very promoting, but actually I don't, right? So this is, I actually don't know what other meme token except for this one, Wojak. Wobos, I think I saw it probably like few weeks ago, and the rest I'm not sure. I think, yeah, nothing in here it seemed familiar for me. So this is just a random meme token. I'm not really promoting anything. DIH or Wojak, I don't know how to call it. Alright, so I think try to see if there is anything else we can talk about. Um, okay, let's dig up some of the more information about these Omni features. I actually got some text of the explanation. Of course, they've been giving me some guidance for me to try to have a look on it, not just really blindly give me the account access and then do whatever you want, right? So they just give me some kind of guidance or explanation. Right. So what makes Omni features special, right? They've been mentioning about these three simple things. One is speed, access, and also safety, right? Why speed is because they listed out new coin contract in a second, not weeks, while other exchanges are still deciding we are already trading. Wow. So this is something they call as a LAL model, right? LAL model. Yeah. LAL model. Ah, liquidity as launch. So the phrase liquidity as launch most likely refers to the critical role of ensuring sovereign liquidity when launching a new financial product, especially in the context of crypto or tokens, right? So I must say that I know this because based on what we can see from the right side of the token, the meme token, they are keep listing out a new token, because just now I think about 20 minutes ago this Newton is not here yet. I think the first one would be like this coin. Yeah, the flower one. This one, I'm not sure why they don't have any name for it, but it is allowed here, right? So Newton is the new one, very new. I think they just listed it about about 1 minute ago. Okay, so the last one, okay, let's see again. This is Newton and last one is Trump, right? So the role of the liquidity at launch in crypto, unlike traditional IPO, okay, basically the new the coin listing that pre-coin listing, right, which use underwriters, price discovery happen in the open markets, making liquidity provision essential from the start. Okay, so they need to do like this kind of price stability, blah blah blah, so that they can actually list it steadily inside the exchange. Meanwhile, for these Omni features, right, I think they actually have this kind of the assistant called LAL, liquidity as launch, to what? To make any listing, so they are not just limited to any normal coins. If it's a trending meme coin, so you can already have a chances for you to go long and short in here, right? So this is very crazy, sounds like. So your risk is capped and clear. Your maximum loss is the margin that you use, and your profit maximum is protected by a system enforced cap. It's a volatile game, but we give you a guardrails. Okay. This one also I would just short. Okay, now I just got 2 opening positions. So for Wojak, I think it's not going so great now since okay. So I'm just going to put it here. So you see the PNL, the profit and loss here, it's become $1. So I think because of the leverage that we put like 20x, right? So that's why it seems that we kind of lost quite some amount, which is $1 from just now we put like $20, right? So let's have a look on it first. We give some time for the viewers or for anyone to have a look on it, right? But I guess you guys can see it clearly in here. Okay, so for those who already know about this, or for those who are just joined my channel just now, my stream, this is happened because of I've just put I just go short for this Wojak and also DIH meme token, right? Because I would predict, I would bet, I would place an order for this. Sorry, I'm predicting the market will go down more, so that's why they've been telling me that if you predict the markets can go down, can go short, then I'll just straight away click on the button and you will see the different there. I mean they say about the profit lah. Okay, why don't we just continue to see what else do they share with me about Omni features. Okay, all right, so I'm just going to read for you guys about what they've been telling me about this Omni feature. So probably you guys would wondering what is this all about. So the Omni features is actually a new project or new things inside the LBank exchange. I think one of the first exchange that bring this up in the industry or in this scenes in the crypto scenes, right? For you to have some kind of flexibility for you to trade any kind of token, not very limited to the stable one. So that's why they've been bringing this up. I think some sort of the unique selling point in here, I think, is kind of give you some kind of games fun vibe, something like that, right? Seems futures trading seems quite serious for the traders, not for the beginners, not for the newbies, right? Because it tends it kind of give you some perspective that um, for those who don't have any money to start, just try spot trading, not futures at all, right? But I think, but for this one, it's very suitable for everyone, I would say, because of you can actually they actually cap our losses and not our profit, right? So that's a good thing because you cannot wipe out all your money inside your account or your wallet, right? For example, like this one, this is, I think, my position in here is has been around like 20 or 30 minutes already. So seems like my money in here, right? Like now $9,948 seems like not really getting deducted and wipe it out yet, right? So I think it's a good one. So it is guaranteed that you cannot wipe all your money doing these Omni features, right? Hello, hello. I just I just see someone joining my live stream at the moment. Welcome to you, brother. I think one of the reason why I don't really see someone getting in from this YouTube is because of the latency. I think I'm not sure, but because of this is my very first phase of experiencing like doing a doing a live stream, right? In YouTube, I think there's always been a problem with it, right? So my apologize. I think I'm just here to talk about this platform calls Omni features. Okay. Like I said just now, so basically them, which is the LBank, someone from LBank. I'm not sure how you can get this kind of access, but I'm just lucky to get it try. So become the one of the earliest person or people to test it out on this one, right? So this is not really promoting a content or promoting anything about LBank. It's just from my account, from my personal gain. You can actually see there's a referral link on the bio. It's actually my personal one. So I guess you guys know how do I survive doing all this kind of live stream, right? So this is nothing related to LBank paid content or whatever, right? So this is just me. They basically just give me some access to try it, go play with it, and tell us what you think. That's all. Okay. Okay, I guess this is good enough for me to try to stop um, stop the position and see how much can we gain from it. Seems like this Wojak has been already like deducting. I mean, I got some losses in here, like $3 already. So I'm just going to close it right away. Uh-huh. Oh shit. I'm not sure how much. Okay, let's say this one is 0.4. Now we got 9964. Let's see how much it will be deducted. Ah. So I'm actually earning something. 9964 become 9973. Mm-hmm. So this is it. Settlement fee. Sorry, settlement P&L, closing fee. Okay. For those who know how does it calculate from my end just now, I think you can just give it some of the comment in here. Let me know what you think about it. Yeah, so we just see there's a new token just listed out, which is Fook and also PE. So the last one that we mentioned and we discussed about it last time is a Newton, right? So now it has been two token has been listed out in here a minute ago, I think. Okay, let's try to do some of the trading like more bigger. At least today we can try to cover up all the losses in here. How about some $20 maybe? Okay, I'm going to choose like the new token like Piggy, probably Piggy token, because it seems like just listed out and then more on uptrends to me. So I'm just going to give it some of the go long, for example, 5x $20. How much is it? Okay, just open long 5x, and then I'm just going to long this one. What is Hertz? This one also seems like very let's put it short or long. 9943. Just now 9973, right? Okay, let's move on to the next one. I think this one it is important for everyone. I think for everyone to know about these Omni features, how it works, and then I also kind of want to learn about it, right? For since this is my first experience showcase to you guys about these Omni features. I'm actually been testing out a few times, right? You can actually see in here my history in here. I got few coins, which is basically yesterday, not today. So basically yesterday I've been clicking this as much as I can to see what are the things that it could happen. So today I'm testing out a few more tokens, right? So okay, now position is been really good, I would say, because of the green. Okay, and then we can just see what else makes it special for the Omni futures. Okay. All right. So as they mentioned about these Omni features, and just now we already talked about the token listing that they've been listing in here. Most of them, not most of them. I mean, all of them are the meme tokens, right? You cannot see every steady token like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and all that. So the list is kind of dynamic. It's not really fixed to what you used to see from the crypto exchange, right? For example, like you know already about normal one, right? So the list is dynamic. It says it's constantly changing, and that's the whole point. Mm-hmm. Okay. I didn't get that right, but just keep reading on this. So it changes between on two main things. New listing. So the moment a new me, so, okay, so you can see the position was false close. I think the from the piggy, from the piggy. Oh, okay, because just now we just open long, right, and it's drastically going short. I think that's why the position has been closed. So I kind of lost all the money, like only $20. Then after that they just full close, right? This is really interesting. I wonder what if I just open short just now. How about we try short 2x? Okay. Let's see how much I earn. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. More. Okay. It's getting better and better. Uh-huh. Go more. So look guys, I'm actually earning on this one since I just opened a short position for this piggy token. Let's keep on waiting on this one first, and then we can just discuss again about the list just now that I say is a dynamic one. You see there, it keeps giving me a good time. $10. Are you seeing this guys? Okay. Oh, I just closed my position. Okay. So I'm go back to the history and see how much that I earned just now. It's about $8. I think we just cover up all the. Okay, now I'm opening another short position. So now you can actually see there's a custom setting in here. For example, if you want to put a small, like if you're rich enough, then you can just put a small $10 large tenor, $50 or whatever, right? So for me, probably like my small amount of money will be like $1. This one is five, and this one is 20, right? If you want to go like crazy, you just put it like this, the last part. If one, if you just want to test it out and then just do a short amount of money, or just put on the first one, okay? There you go, 1, 5, and 20. Mm-hmm. 9932. Mm-hmm. Sounds good. Alright, guys. For those who for those who just enter my live stream, welcome to you guys. Welcome to the live stream. So I literally just got the access to this thing called Omni Futures from LBank. You can see this screen, right? From LBank, right? So they basically go ask me to test it out, go play with it, and tell us what you think, something like that, right? But I'm not really doing some any promotion or doing some content promotion for them. So this is just my honest review, honest comment. What is my thought on this platform? I'm specifically for Omni Futures to see. Yeah, this is probably their marketing for marketing plan for them to for me to give um, some awareness about these Omni features, but I'm not directly going to promote you guys about this content because this is just my personal gain, so that after I try it out and then I will show it to you guys, and if it seems like a very interesting one, then I will say that yes, we should have a look on it, have a money to invest it on this one, and then start trading on it, right? Like I said just now, this is not a tutorial, not a financial advice session. So this is just literally me testing a new features product for the first time. I mean, it's even not the first time. Probably this is not a very first time also, right? If it's good, I would say it's good. If it's trash, I definitely telling you it's trash. But I'm not here to promoting something. But I do think this Omni Trade, Omni Function, Omni features is giving some kind of fun and enjoy vibe, right? Oh, you see, this one is not really well, but let's say I hope it doesn't force me to liquidate at the same time, okay? So meaning to say, right, if you are doing these Omni features, you cannot actually trade it for a long time of period. For example, like if you are trading bitcoins, right, you probably could stay there within a long period of time. For example, like 20 minutes, you can see, you know that within the 1 hour, Bitcoin will making its movement to certain place that you're expecting it to be there, right? And you will earn some money from there, from what you have predict, right? But this one is, I think, it seems possible. It's not possible because the margin is quite short, right? The margin is quite really low, I would say, because for example, like this one, max margin will be like $20 only. So for $20 only, right? Once your account got liquidated, and wipe out all the $20, then the system will automatically ask you to stop the trading. So it kind of force you to stop the trading automatically, right? So this is kind of good thing. It will not necessarily for you to give like some kind of attention. Let's say you didn't put a stop loss into it, right? So your money will probably, if you are sleeping, if you are not giving attention, it's probably you will lose all the money inside your wallet, inside your money, inside your asset, inside your account in here. So this is a good thing. Okay, this one seems good now. I think I'm just gonna add more tokens to trade here. Seems we do have like more testing token in here. Ah, so this one seems a good time to do a short. Okay, this is fear, and the photo itself also looks like it's a funny. It's not a funny. It's a stupid kind of meme token. They just want to create to make fun of the to make fun of the people in all that sort of things, right? So I'm going to give a short for this one, probably like 1x $20 again or $10. Then there you go. Okay, so just now I did saying about the list in here, because last time, sorry, about an hour ago, right? The first coin in here was it's not here anymore. It's not here. I think the name is Newton. So the list keep changing actually, right? So the list is dynamic. Why I call it dynamic? Because it's constantly changing, and they said that's the whole point of they are doing this kind of Omni features. So they actually wanted to see people actually feels like this is very interesting because it keeps changing. There's a new opportunity that coming in any second, in any time, right? So this is something that I would say a new opportunity, right? So it is actually changes based on two main things. One is a new listing. So the moment a new meme coin get hot and meet basic requirement, with basically the LP, the liquidity provider decided, right? So the LP can release a contract for it in a second. Wow, this one is very impressive. So new coins are added all day, every day. Okay, so LP decision. So if an LP decides to stop providing liquidity for a specific coin or a specific leverage tier, that an option might temporarily disappear from the list until another LP steps in. Okay, this is, I think, the similar case from what I've been experiencing in about 1 hour just now for the Newton coin, right? Because if the LP decided to stop providing liquidity for a specific coin, they might not see again after that. So probably in the future, probably in 1 or 2 days after, if let's say there's a high potential for the Newton token, continue providing the liquidity, so means that probably it will have potentially to get listed inside this Omni feature again in the future. Okay, so yes, The menu is always refreshing. This is what gives you that first mover advantage. Wow, this is good. So you are not stuck with yesterday trends. You are trading what happening right now. Okay. So let's say the meme coin are no longer give value or to trade anything. It will remove from the list. Right. So this is very good because we just seems to facing it just now within an hour ago, right? So if a meme coin, so it basically, if a meme coin lose all the liquidity, for example like Newton just now, right? I think it's already become dead, officially dead. Um, Meaning it will be removed from the active trading list. So that's why it really makes sense, because once the token is already dead, then why would you try to make it possible again, right? Because it's already dead, then why do you need to trade it again, right? This is a good thing for two key reasons it mentioned here: to protect you, it clean up the platform and remove worthless asset, right? So this is 100% agree on this, so you don't accidentally trade into a ghost town with no real price movement. Yeah, this one also I agree, because once you get in, for example like Newton coin just now, right? If let's say you keep on looking at it for just as me looking at this fear coin, as it for example, if it's become dead already, right? Then why would you go into here watching the market become lower and lower, and then suddenly it become dead? It's no point, right? So the next one is, it say it is very efficient because it's allow us and allow the LP to focus liquidity on the new active and trending coins. So this one I get it, because I think there's every coins that just recently listed in here, they kind of give a, they kind of bring a very good profile for the crypto community to try it out. For example, like I'm the one who actually been a fan of these fear coins, right? And then their community had already told them, hey guys, I think fear is going to be listed in Omni features in any second, especially today, right? So I think we do have like kind of potential for us to try to trade on this meme token for the first time ever. So that's why every project that listed here is very really matter. I think is very exciting for some of the community, especially in crypto meme token, I would say. Okay, now how about we take a look on back on our trading just now. It seems like this one is have a bit of hope for me, right? This one I just put it long, and seems like it's going long and about to do some of the uh, sideways. So I think I should close it already. There you go. How about the how about the funds now? 9934. So I'm making some profit in here. How about this one? Not right. So I'm go for another piggy for trade. Is that okay? So it seems like this one is can be very very dangerous, right? No, I'm not going to do that. Okay, how about this one? Day job. Uh-huh. This one seems very uh-huh, uh-huh. Okay. Take this opportunity to do go short. Wow. So this is how it works, guys. I think for those who already know how to read the chart, how the market movement used to do when you are trading any coins, for example like Bitcoin, Ethereum and all that, right? You must know that there's some of the movement which is quite familiar for you to see in a daily trading movement, right? You probably can see in this way, you know already that there's no hope for some market or some coins to start making another pump anymore, right? So I think it will be happen the pump within 5 to 10 minutes after this, but I'm sure this one going a downtrend now. I'm not sure if anything happen. uh, I think it's because of the meme token. That's the nature of it, right? So let's see, day job. I must go for the uh-huh. Okay. Mm-hmm. More. Oops. Hey, I'm just noticed this is Skyler. How to tell the trend? How's the ETH performance, right? Um, First of all, Skyler, this welcome to you. Um, I'm so excited to see you in here. First of all, right? So how to tell the trend? Basically, for me, as a newbie, I would say I usually got lost in trading as well, right? But honestly, I think you are already familiar with the trading. If you are already familiar with the trading, how to tell a trend, it's all based from the narrative as well, news, a sentiment and all that, right? Let's say if you are working on trading, for example, like ETH, I think one of the best thing for you to do is kind of study about the sentiment, how globally or how financial globally react on the Ethereum itself, right? Other than that, I think you must see how healthy it was by looking at the history of the chart for the Ethereum. Okay, I appreciate the question just now, but seems like for these Omni features, they've been putting a lot of all of these are meme token, right? So it's just that meme tokens not really works like a high liquidity token, which is like Ethereum. Just now you mentioning about it. So I guess this is not a place for us to go more go more deep on the trend about the token, right? Because in meme token is it can easily happen. Anything can be happen like pump and dump at 1 minute or even at 1 second right away. Okay, so I'll just getting the position closed just now for the day job. I would say, I think because of the, let's see about it. I just lost 100%. Okay. I'm about to earn it back. Okay. Where is it? So I didn't open anything. Okay. Thank God. Okay, now how about we try to do some of this setup from here. Let's say we are trying to make some progress from the new listed token in Omni features. Okay, so right now you can see they just listed out like really like few minutes ago, right? So I must say that this chart will be going like this, pump, and then it will go steadily below this. I would say like this one is what the baseline. Okay, so you can see it must going downward because it's not. I'm going to give a close up. So this is the baseline. I mean, it's not really hitting on this base after it goes. Okay, now I'm making a profit. I'm making a move now. Oh. So I think it's just like that. It's very easy for someone who wanted to test it out, alright, by just clicking on the button, long or short only, right? Not like the ordinary futures trading. Like if you need to really do a proper strategy or prediction on this one by doing a technical analysis. But this one, I hope we can do it, but it's not necessary to do it because of the short period of time. I mean short period of investment, right? So probably once you try to do the TA or the technical analysis, you will get liquidated already, right? Mm-hmm. You see, from the level that I've been telling you guys, I'm not really I'm not really a professional um, trader, I would say. Then that's why you can see I've been losing all my money from what I trade just now, right? There's been some earn, there's been some loss as well. Wow, this one is a bit okay for me, I would say. Mm-hmm. Going red again. Mm-hmm. So I just earned like $16 just now from the position in here. Okay, it's very easy. Okay, yeah.